may be young, but I'm ready.
What is up, you beautiful faces? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jamila Ariel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are old, welcome back. Now today's video, as you can tell by the title, will be something different that I'm doing. It's just something that crossed my mind. It's a quick little idea. Not quick because it's gonna be a week, but yeah, this is gonna be hard for me because every day that I wake up I always think about throwing on leggings and one of these. So yeah, basically today is Sunday night. It is probably like 9 something p.m. and the goal for this week is to try and dress cute every single day out of the week. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now I normally dress cute on Fridays, but like throughout the week that's kind of a no. So we're gonna pick out tomorrow's outfit, which is Monday, and this is gonna be kind of hard for me because my closet is a mess. So let's go to the closet. Okay guys, so don't judge me, but that's because y'all can't see the bottom, but my closet looks terrible. And I'm just gonna put this trash right here. It's Cheetos. It still has Cheetos in it, so I might eat it later. Don't judge me. Don't look at me like that.
I said stop. I said stop.
I said stop.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But yeah, let's just see what we're working. Bro, I have clothes literally everywhere. Like, what am I gonna put on? But tomorrow I think I'm just gonna wear something kind of like neutral, because the eyeshadow that I'm doing is gonna be purple and yellow in memory of Kobe Bryant and his daughter Gigi and the people that died on the helicopter crash. So I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look kind of with Lakers colors. So I'm doing that tomorrow. So I'm probably gonna put on a white shirt, or because I don't want the eyeshadow to match with what I'm putting on. So yeah, bro, like when I say my closet is cluttered, it's so cluttered. Like
Just don't tell nobody tomorrow.
okay, you guys, so this is today's makeup, and so I'm about to show you guys the outfit. It took me a while to get this together, so it was hard getting something to put on that wouldn't clash with my makeup. So yeah, this is the outfit. This shirt I got from Burlington. They dropped the Coat Factory on the name, so it's not Burlington Coat Factory. I got this shirt from Burlington, and I got this shirt from TJ. No, I got the shirt from Burlington, and I got the skirt from TJ Maxx. As you can see. And so I don't think you can see my feet, so I'm gonna move it down. This is the outfit. I may look a little ashy on camera, but I have on Vans with my white shirt and my little checkered skirt. And since it is cold outside, I am going to put on a jacket. So don't take me out for this jacket. But I'm finna put on a jean jacket because it's cold outside. I don't really know. But yeah. Let me go get my, let me take this off first. Okay. So let me go get my book bag. This is Monday's outfit, you guys. I'm trying to find a cute thumbnail because I don't know how I'm gonna do my thumbnail yet. So oh my god, I'm so cute. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow for fit number 2. Okay guys, so it's Tuesday and I didn't pick out my outfit last night, so, and it's raining, so I'm probably gonna do like, I want to try a side ponytail frontal. Like, I want to turn my frontal into a ponytail, if that makes any sense. And I'm gonna just do a simple makeup look, and we're gonna see what I'm gonna put on later, because I'm just finna get my makeup out the way first. It's like 8:30 something. I have class at 10, so I'm finna just hop right into it. And my camera's about to die, so I'm just gonna charge it while I do my makeup. Excuse my mess, but this is the top. It's a black top that I got from Burlington. I love Burlington. And I did my hair in a little side ponytail, looking real cute or whatever. Like I said, excuse my mess. And I have these ripped jeans, little flats on. So yeah, but this is today's outfit. And this is today's makeup, just a natural beat. And I'm late for class, so I will talk to you guys later.
You win.
And I like my hair like this, it's really cute. Okay y'all, so today is Wednesday and it's still raining, so this is kind of like a rainy day outfit, I guess. It's not really cute, but I mean, it's better than what I usually wear. I have on lime green Nike socks, Vans, leggings, white shirt, jean jacket, and I have my makeup done as always. And yeah, this is what we looking like. Real basic today, really basic. So sorry if this isn't cute today, but it's raining and I'm late for class as always. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Girl, I can't lie.
Okay, so basically on Thursday it rained all day, and so I kind of altered this outfit a little bit before I decided to go. So I still will give the details on this outfit, but I'll give the details on the other one as well.
Girl, I can't lie. And like a you watch her back it up. She do that, that's what's up.
This is the last outfit of the week. Picture right there, video right there. It's real chill, real calm, because it's been raining most of the week. I have on my Adidas pants that I got from Academy. This little sweater, I don't remember where I got this from. I think it's from TJ Maxx. And I have on my orange Forces. And yeah, this is what we're looking like today, guys. I really enjoyed doing this video, even though it rained most of the video, but y'all ain't see that. But it rained all week, so that kind of got in the way of my outfit planning. And as y'all can tell, I really like this ponytail. I ain't changed my hair yet. So comment which outfit was your favorite. Mine was day 2. I really didn't like day 1 because I didn't take a video of day 1's outfit. But this was kind of like a week or a school week, so you could say. But the outfits this week were kind of cute, except for one day when I just put on some leggings and my Vans and said, you know what, this is how we just gonna be today. So it's hard, it's very hard being cute in school. Like, it's hard, and I don't think that's something I can do every day. Like, I can't do this every week. I can look decent, but I can't try and look cute every day. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment your favorite outfit. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to watch my recent uploads and turn on that post notification to stay notified when I upload. I'll see you guys later.
Like what you me. splendid.